Waio, the Witschi All In One device. The new Waio combines 4 functions in one. Tightness test, measurement of mechanical watches, measurement of analog quartz watches, demagnetization. The Waio automatically detects whether it is a mechanical watch or an analog quartz watch that you want to check. Tightness test. To measure the tightness, the pins are adjusted to the watch size by turning the knob. Once the watch is placed on the watch support, the measurement can begin. In the Waio, the pressure is now built up according to the requirements of the watch. By measuring the case in the nanometer range, it can now be determined whether the watch is tight. The tightness test is now completed. Demagnetization of a mechanical watch. The magnetic field coil is invisibly placed in the aluminium bell. The 45-degree positioning of the bell achieves the best results. With targeted magnetic field pulses, the magnetized components are demagnetized again. For best results, the demagnetization pulses are carried out in multiple positions. The before-after measurement can be used to determine whether a rate influence was present. Measurement of a mechanical watch. The watch support is designed so that all watch sizes can be placed easily and scratch-free. The signal is acoustically recorded in several relevant positions. After the measurement, the data can be visualized directly on the display. Measurement of an analog quartz watch. Once the analog quartz watch is placed in the Waio, the accuracy of the movement is measured. All measured data can be visualized on the display upon completion of the measurement. With the all-in-one solution, it is now possible to objectively evaluate the status of the watches. Thanks to the overview of the measurements, decisions can be made efficiently. Measurement data, as well as customer data, can be stored in the Witschi Data Management System. They're available at any time and from anywhere. Witschi. Precision is precious.